Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. And today on World Mental Health Day, I'm going to talk about how to control our anxiety, how to stop overthinking, and how to overcome all our worries with the help of calm and meditation techniques. So, it is very important for us to understand that when we have anxiety, we must be calm. We must accept that we are having the anxiety and have a look at why we are having the anxiety. But our mind is like that we think that we are having more anxiety than other people and we are suffering more than other people, but this is not the case. Everyone is suffering to some extent or not. So it is up to us to control our own thoughts and to relax and take a deep breath at times and realize that life is also beautiful once we start believing in ourselves. So we need to first acknowledge that we have had this anxiety disorder. Just like when we commit a mistake, we need to accept that we have committed a mistake, because once we accept it, we only will start analyzing our strengths and weaknesses. We will be able to find out where we went wrong. So for us it is important to look around and accept the facts, and on a scale of 1 to 100, and ask ourselves the questions why we are having this kind of anxiety and what can we do in order to ameliorate our life. So these are certain things that we can do in order to overcome the anxiety, because overthinking, we know, can kill our happiness. But shifting our mind towards creative things and positive things can have a positive impact in our life. We all face some challenges in our life. Some people accept the challenge and they are ready to embrace the change, but there are also some people who go in the wrong direction. They think that when they have had a failure in relationship or their professional life, they will face humiliation, they will face anxiety. But it is not like that. Sometimes they overreact. Instead, they should calm their mind. They should think that where they went wrong. So sometimes people don't are not able to control this anxiety, and so this kind of anxiety aggravates. So at that time it becomes so overburdened that they start having a sociopath kind of personality, where they start saying negative things about everyone. They just try to stop socializing, stop going on, so it degrades your personality. So it is very important for us to understand at what stage we are. If we are at the stage where we can control our anxiety with the help of techniques like meditation and mindfulness, I am telling you to go through all those techniques that will help you go and search within yourself where you can find peace. But if you have crossed this stage, sometimes it can have a severe effect on your mental health and physical health. So at that time, you should, things are out of control, so it is very important for us to go to a therapist at that time. But if you know you are at that stage where you can control the anxiety, you must apply these techniques that I have already previously discussed with you, and be not afraid of telling the world that you have faced anxiety, you have faced nervousness. I mean, who in the world does not face all these kinds of problems when they have been given a big task? But this is how we learn, and this is how we overcome our challenges in our life, and we move forward to our life. So I wish and I hope you will take this in a very positive way, and also share your anxiety with people so that people around you can help you talk about those things. Be open, be more be more friendly, be more affable, be go out and make acquaintances. So these are kind of a things that we can do in order to better our standard of living. And this is something I wanted to tell you on this World Mental Health Day. And this World Mental Health Day is not celebrated only today, but it can be celebrated every day if we are ready and eager to help each other in the name of solidarity or something else, whatever you think. I hope you all have a good weekend, and I hope this your mental health day removes all your anxieties, fatigues and worries and bring you to a peace of mind forever. Thank you.